Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Folding Camping Stove is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, transforming your wilderness experience from basic sustenance to gourmet camp cooking with its compact design and efficient heat, allowing you to enjoy hot meals and beverages wherever your adventures take you without the bulk of traditional setups. Number 5. Odoland Camping Cookware Kit. Introducing the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit, your all-in-one solution for outdoor meals. This comprehensive 9-piece set provides everything you need to cook delicious food on the go. It includes a mini stove, 2 non-stick pots, a full set of utensils, and a stainless steel cup. Plus, you get a silicone protector and 2 carry bags for convenience. Its anti-slip and anti-heat handles, along with the silicone cup protector, ensure your hands are safe from injury. This kit truly meets all your outdoor cooking needs. Crafted from non-toxic anodized aluminum, it's both solid and lightweight. The mini stove and pot handles fold easily, saving precious space in your pack. It conducts heat quickly and is built to last. All components are designed for ultimate portability. They store neatly together in a compact mesh bag, making it incredibly easy to carry on any adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or picnicking, this set is your perfect companion. It makes enjoying home-cooked meals in the great outdoors simpler and more enjoyable. What we like. This comprehensive kit is perfect for beginners or those who want everything in one package. If you're just starting your camping journey or prefer a hassle-free setup, this all-in-one solution is ideal for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. REDCAMP Wood-Burning Folding Camp Stove. Introducing your ultimate outdoor cooking companion. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this stove is built to withstand heavy use and high temperatures. It's designed for durability, ensuring reliable performance on all your adventures. Experience unparalleled stability with its robust cuboid design and stainless steel grid backing plate. This provides a secure platform for all your cooking needs. You can trust it to safely support your kitchen utensils, even on uneven terrain. Forget bulky fuel canisters. This versatile stove accepts natural fuels like leaves and twigs, readily available in the wilderness. It allows you to enjoy a true outdoor cooking experience, embracing the simplicity of nature. Designed for convenience, it's incredibly lightweight and easily collapsible. It folds down compactly, making it simple to pack and carry. Plus, it comes with its own carry bag, so you can take it anywhere. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, and camping, this small wood stove ensures you eat well wherever you go. Its compact, foldable design and durable construction make preparing delicious meals on the go effortless. It's truly an essential for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This stove offers the authentic wilderness experience by using natural fuels. If you enjoy foraging for fuel and want a durable, eco-friendly option, it's a fantastic choice for your backpacking adventures. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 3. Gas 1GS 8300 Spyder Stove. Introducing the Gas 1GS 8300 Spyder Stove, your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. This compact butane stove is designed with versatility and easy portability in mind, making it ideal for campers and backpackers. It's roughly the size of a 32-ounce water bottle, so you can take it anywhere. Don't let its size fool you, it delivers 8,000 BTU, matching larger portable stoves. It features a durable brass burner head and an easy-to-clean enamel coating. Thoughtful ventilation holes ensure safe and reliable operation. Its innovative design allows it to fold into a remarkably small space for effortless storage and transport. When fully extended, it securely supports your pots and pans. This makes it incredibly convenient for any trip. Setting it up is a breeze with minimal steps. Simply open the cover, rotate the body, extend the grates, and insert a butane canister. You'll be ready to cook in moments. This butane stove features an electric piezo auto ignition for instant lighting. Plus, a durable push and turn control knob gives you full command over your cooking temperature. Enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience every time. Easily fitted in any bag and stored in small spaces, it's the ideal portable cooker. Whether you're away from home or just looking for a quick cookout in the yard, this stove is perfect. What we like. Its compact design and auto-ignition make cooking incredibly simple and quick. If you value convenience, precise temperature control, and easy portability for quick meals, this is the stove for you. What people say. No positive reviews with detailed product works, design, function, features, or facts could be extracted from the empty source. The provided source JSON was empty, so no points could be selected as per the instructions. Number 2. OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove with griddle. This stove features a one-of-a-kind griddle with 2 surfaces. One side is textured for grilling steaks and hot dogs, while the other is smooth for cooking eggs, cheese, and more. It offers incredible versatility for all your outdoor adventures. Its 2-burner design is spacious enough to hold 2 around 10-inch pans. This provides ample room for preparing family meals or cooking for a group while camping. With 2 burners delivering 10,000 BTUs total, it ensures quick and efficient cooking. The push-button ignition means no matches are needed, and its adjustable heat controls allow for precise cooking. It folds down to a compact size and includes a convenient carrying bag. This makes it incredibly easy to take on camping, hiking, or tailgating trips. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it is simple to set up and use. Cleaning it after a day of outdoor cooking is also a breeze. Its windproof features ensure reliable cooking even in various outdoor conditions. This makes it perfect for camping, backpacking, and tailgating adventures. This camp stove primarily works with propane. For other fuel types like butane or isobutane, an additional adapter is available separately. What we like. The unique dual-function griddle and 2 spacious burners allow for diverse meal preparation. If you're cooking for a group or love having multiple cooking options, this versatile stove is an excellent fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 1. DANCHEL Outdoor TSG Portable TA1 Titanium Tent Wood Stove. Introducing the ultimate camping companion. This stove is crafted from durable, rust-proof TA1 titanium, making it incredibly lightweight at just 6.63 pounds. Its clever design allows for easy portability, fitting perfectly into a laptop-style carrying bag for your adventures. Experience exceptional warmth even in extreme cold, down to -30°C. Its titanium construction ensures rapid heat conduction, while adjustable air intake and a wider door for firewood maximize burning efficiency. This ensures your hot tent stays cozy and comfortable. More than just a heater, it's a versatile cooking station. The robust top panel supports up to 22 pounds, perfect for meals. Plus, a high-temperature resistant side window lets you monitor the fire without opening the door. Designed for convenience, it folds quickly for fast setup. Cleaning ash is simple thanks to its flat door frame. It also includes a spark arrestor and stable, H-shaped legs, ideal for any terrain. This complete package includes everything you need for immediate use, from the stove itself to a spark arrestor and carrying bag. It's perfect not only for hot tent camping but also for backyard use, offering warmth and utility wherever you go. What we like. Crafted from titanium, this specialized tent stove is built for extreme conditions and efficient heating. If you're a serious hot tent camper or need a lightweight, high-performance stove for cold weather, this is your ultimate companion. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.